Alright, if you're watching this video, and you're probably wondering like, you know what, Brian, you just uploaded a video yesterday. You're probably looking at me right now and like, hey, you're wearing the exact same shirt and the exact same hat as in the last video you uploaded. That's because I recorded the videos on the same damn day. Look at that. 2 videos in one day. How classy am I, guys? I got chili cheese, corn dog, a fucking mimosa. I'm classy. Alright, so now that I have my base done from my last video, y'all probably like, oh my god, like, yeah, like you already have your base done. Yeah, my base already done. I want to go ahead and go off camera and do one of my eyes. Once I figure it out, I'll be back and you guys will see it in like literally like a couple seconds. I'll show you guys how to do the look on the other eye. Give me like 20 minutes, but it's gonna take you guys like 5 seconds to kind of figure out what I'm gonna do with this eye. Ooh. All right, and we are back. As you can see, we went ahead and did one eye off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye on camera so I can show you guys how I got this amazing eye. I love it so much. And yeah, we're gonna start off with our flash palette, our knockoff flash palette. Like I said, you get this on Amazon for like, let's say like 20 bucks. I'm gonna dip my hand in the white. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lid. Alright, so now we're gonna take a purple eyeshadow. You can take any purple that you like. I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette and grab just like the darkest purple that's in there. I don't know the names of these shades. I don't have a little card, but I'm just gonna blend it all over the eye. Alright, now that we have that purple shade kind of winged all over our eyelid, we're gonna go to a new eyeshadow palette that my cousin got me for Christmas. She got this palette for me for a Secret Santa. It is the Solar Flare, the BH Cosmetics Solar Flare palette. And this palette is beautiful. It's just like it's a bunch of like shimmery colors and shimmery shades. They're like eyeshadow toppers. So I'm gonna take this color called Gamma Ray, and I'm gonna go ahead and like just blending Gamma Ray all over the purple. Alright, so now that we took the Solar Flare palette, we're gonna go into the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights Palette, which has like the same type of like topper coats. However, this is just like brighter colors, and we're gonna go into a more iridescent purple that's here, and we're gonna just start to blend that on top. So we're just basically building colors. So we're gonna take the same Aurora Lights palettes from BH Cosmetics. We're gonna go ahead and dip into this blue shade here. We're gonna go ahead and put that in our inner contour. This is so beautiful. So now that we went on ahead and blended that blue Aurora Lights shade on top of the other Solar Flare Aurora Lights shade from BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna go ahead and create a little bit more depth. I'm gonna take some black from the James Charles palette and just blend that into the outer V. Very that. Now that we have that black shadow blended on the corner here, on the outer corner, the outer V, I'm gonna go ahead and take some NYX liquid liner, and we're gonna go ahead and create a wing. Now that we have the eyeliner there, we want to create a smudged eyeliner look. So I'm going to take that blending brush that I had black eyeshadow on. I'm going to take some more black eyeshadow and kind of blend out the upper portion of that wing. This kind of gives the eye a more editorial effect. Now it's time to move on to the lower lash line. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bullet brush. I'm gonna go ahead into some black eyeshadow and start to smudge some black eyeshadow all the way down on the lower lash line and waterline. Now that we have the black blended in our waterline or on our lower lash line, we're gonna go ahead and go back into that Aurora Lights Palette, and we're gonna take this dark purple Aurora Light and blend that over the black that's in our waterline. Now that we went on ahead and blended that shade into our waterline, we're gonna go ahead and take Spirit Gum. We're gonna go ahead and add here a little crystal heart right in the inner corner of my eye. Be on camera and look so like nasty, like ugh. Place it right there. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. We're gonna go ahead and fill in our eyebrow a little bit more. And as you can see, the front of my brow is kind of like a purplish blue, like a kind of like a pinkish color. So I'm taking my Flash palette and I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two colors together to get that that color. You see that? You see that? You see that? Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some white. And I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my brow a little more to give it more definition. Alright, that is both eyes completed. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on a contact and a lash, and I'll be right back to go ahead and finish off the rest of the face. Alright, you guys, that is both of the eyes complete. I hope you guys like what you see. I'm gonna go ahead and just dust away all this baking powder. Where's my dust away brush? Here's my dust away brush. I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a spritz of MAC Fix Plus in Gold Light. I love this spray because it has little fine pieces of glitter in it, so when you spray it, it gives you a nice dewy finish. And since we use so much powder in our face, we want to go ahead and give ourselves that dewy finish again. Ooh, just be careful because like, it'll sometimes like spurt out wrong. I like to take a brush and just go in and tap that in. Ooh, she is glowing, honey. Yes. All right, you guys, so now that we went on ahead and we spritzed our face, we're feeling nice and hydrated. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter wheel. I'm gonna go ahead and take this purpley highlight shade. I'm gonna put those on the high points of my cheeks. I just love Fenty Beauty. It's so good. Oh, just look at that, you guys. I want to add a little bit more baking powder. All right, you guys, we are almost down to the end of this look. Now all we have to do is go ahead and do our lips, and then I'll go ahead and blend everything away. We'll go ahead and apply a wig and a little outfit most likely, and then move back with the final transformation. I do want to deepen up my contours though, just a little bit more. Do I need to? Just add a little bit of black. Yeah, I feel like I need a little black. Plum color. I forget where it's from. I think it's Kat Von D. I forget, but it's hot in my room. But I'm gonna use this on my lips. I'm now gonna go ahead and take the James Charles palette and go ahead and go to the black, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a lip contour. I'm gonna go ahead and start to contour the sides of my lips to make my lips look a little bit more pouty. All right, this is like the completed look. I'm gonna go ahead and blend in the powder so like I won't, you know, have all this like baking powder everywhere. I am gonna take my MAC lip gloss in Dazzle Glass. It is this beautiful iridescent purple lip gloss that I've been using lately. And I like to put it over dark colors because it really stands out. It's very galactic. I'm gonna go ahead and add a beauty mark. All right, you guys, that is it for this makeup look. I'm gonna pop off screen here, go ahead and put on a wig and make a little bit of outfit. I think I might throw on some nails too because I really want to feel the full fantasy, and I'll show you guys the final look. See you in a sec. All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. I am loving this look so much. I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a little bit of a Paris vibe with this little beret that I threw on and my little shortcut wig, which I am completely obsessed with. I'm still getting used to like looking at the camera lens because on my new camera, the viewfinder is on the side. Last time it was on top, so it was easier for me like to look straight ahead, and if I wanted to look at myself, I could just like look straight up. But now, since the viewfinder is on the right, on my right side, you'll probably catch me like looking like, so I'm still working on that. So I apologize if you guys see me looking over there a lot through the video, but I want you guys to like comment in the description, comment. How can you comment in the description box? I want you guys to go ahead and leave comments down below if you watched it, if you come across this video, and let me know what videos you'd like to see me make. If there's any looks you want to see me recreate, any looks you want to see me try. Like I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist, but I do like to challenge myself to try different stuff. So if there's something you like, hey Venus, you should try this out, I might just do it. So I'm gonna stop rambling because y'all know I tend to do that a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and get off of here. And yeah, if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up because that really helps me out like a ton. You guys know that helps out a lot. Then also go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you guys would like to, because that lets me know that you guys are interested in the content that I am creating. Like I said in the beginning of this, I have so much more that I have to offer you guys in the coming new year. So many video projects that I'm working on, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys all. Stay fucking popping because you guys are popping. Bye.